Hey, I've got this balance pad. This is by 5 Billion Fitness. They did send this to me. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. First is they give you this chart in here. If you're just a beginner or you're looking for some ideas on how to use this, got a diagram chart here. Very easy to understand. But if you know, you know. I'm not here to convince you, but the fact is that balance training is great for all of the stabilization muscles around your bigger muscle groups. Highly underrated, highly underlooked part of fitness. Now, I'm going to show you up close, but you do not sink all the way down. This is a very responsive type of foam. It's made specifically for this, but simply by standing on this and then lifting your foot up. Now, I'm having to use all of the stabilization muscles from my hip down in my knee. And believe me, this is valuable in terms of keeping in shape, avoiding potential injuries. So just standing here, just like this, trying to balance is a great exercise. If you're an athlete, if you're into any kind of sports, get this because it's going to be helpful to you. Put the TV on, stand there and watch TV for 10 minutes, do some different sets of balancing on one foot or the other. This is about how big it is. I don't know, about a foot by a foot, roughly, give or take a couple inches, but soft to the touch, but you can't really get into the center of it. Like, it's dense. It's going to hold your body weight. This is a great home equipment piece, but you can take it with you to the gym, take it with you on vacation. You can travel with this. It's lightweight, takes up virtually no space at all. Again, visit this chart that they give you. You're going to get lots of ideas right there, but I really like these types of pieces of equipment because they're so simple, but yet they are highly effective. So definitely pick this one up and check it out. Great little piece of equipment here. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.